Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram app if it keeps crashing or closing on your iPhone. So let's get it started. First, turn airplane mode on for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connections and yeah, that's really helpful. And the next step is that you should open your setting and here go and tap on general and here scroll down and tap on VPN and check if any VPN is enabled. If it is, just simply turn it off. After that, again go to your setting, again tap on the general and tap on software update and install the latest iOS update if it is available. And after that, again in general, uh, just tap on iPhone storage and make sure you have enough storage. If your storage is full, delete some files or apps to free up space. And now after that, open the App Store and here in the search bar search for Instagram and update the app if an update is available. Next, just simply force to start your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone starts, open Instagram again and check if the problem is fixed. And that's it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Pixels for more easy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.